Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Safari can't open the page because your iPhone is not connected to internet. Sometimes Safari shows error in iPhone. Safari can't open. Safari cannot open this page. Safari cannot browsing feature. So guys, how to fix this issue? Number one is refresh and you can see working. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Close the all tabs and open it again and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is close the Safari browser and reopen it again and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Solution number four is check the iOS update. Make sure your iPhone is up to date. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. Tap on the settings app, tap on general, tap on the software update, checking for update. If update is pending or available, you can see appears on screen update is available. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number four is not working, now applying the solution number five. Solution number five is reset your iPhone all settings. Go back, tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset all iPhone settings and fix your problem. When your iPhone setting is completely restored, your problem is fixed. Connect your iPhone with Wi-Fi and fix your problem. If solution number five is not working, now applying the solution number six. Solution number six is make sure Safari browser server is working and not in problem. If Safari browser is not working properly and Apple server is down, wait some second, minutes or hours to fix this issue. If all solutions are not working, simply connect your iPhone with another stable internet connection and fix your problem. If you are using mobile data, make sure your mobile data plan is available, or if not available, purchase the mobile data plan and fix your problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Safari browser not working an iPhone after the new iOS update, latest 2025 method. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.